Today's session, as we had already discussed yesterday, is twin yoga session with your partner. Yog in actual terms means to bond. योग का मतलब है जुड़ना. तो आज हम ट्रू सेंस में अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ बॉन्ड बढ़ाएंगे, जुड़ेंगे. We'll help each other balance and perform certain asanas. We'll help each other stabilize during certain asanas, and we'll increase our bond. We'll try to help each other stretch. Let's start today's session. So today's weekend session is all about fun. Don't think about how I am doing, kaise kar rahe hain, barabar ho raha hai. It's okay. Just have fun and focus on bonding with your family members. Let's start. For our first asana for today, stand beside your partner. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Another deep breath. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Our first asana is Vrikshasana. It is a balancing pose, requires lot of stability and focus of the mind. When you're doing it with your partner, it becomes easy, balance and help them also balance. Okay, so hold your partner in the waist and take the outer leg. Both of you take the outer leg and place it on the thigh. Help them balance, help them. You have to help your partner. Take a deep breath. Inhale, take the hand, outer hand over the head in Namaskar. Exhale and bring the hand in front of your chest. Focus, focus, help each other balance. And keep holding for 8 deep breaths as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly inhale and hands up over the head again. Exhale and hands down. Slowly leg down. Relax. 2 deep breaths. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Another deep breath. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And we'll repeat this on the other side. So change the sides with your partner. दूसरी तरफ repeat करेंगे. Again, support your partner well. Hold your partner in the waist. Take the outer leg. Help them balance. You have to help them. You have to support each other and increase the stability and your bond. Place the outer leg on the thigh. Balance well, balance well. Turbulences are welcome. That is when you will help each other. Inhale and hands up in Namaskar. Exhale and hands down in front of the chest. Hold for the count of 8. 1, deep breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly as you inhale, take your hands up. Exhale and hands down and leg down. Relax. 2 deep breaths. Vrikshasana helps in building focus and concentration. You have to focus during Vrikshasana, otherwise you lose focus, you lose the asana. So this is Vrikshasana is a very good asana for focus and concentration. Our next asana is Utkatasana or chair pose. A very nice stretch to your thighs and hamstrings. Let's see. Face your partner, face each other, hold hands. Take a deep breath, inhale, stand. As you exhale, spread out your legs approximately half a feet apart. Take a deep breath, inhale again, and as you exhale, halfway sit, as if you're sitting on a chair. Help your partner also balance and you also balance. Try to keep your back as straight as possible and hold. Hold for the count of 8. Feel the nice stretch in the thighs and calf muscles. Keep holding, keep holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Inhale and up. Exhale and hands down. 1 deep breath. One more time, we'll repeat the same Utkatasana. Feel the nice stretch in the entire leg. Hold the stretch only for 8 counts. Again, inhale and hold the hands. Legs half a feet apart. Exhale and halfway sit. And hold for the count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Inhale and up, exhale and leave the hands. 2 deep breaths. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, slowly exhale. Relax. And let's move on. We have stretched the legs, I think, quite a lot. Now we'll stretch the abdominal area. For that, one partner, one person will come in front, spread out the legs, and the other partner will turn around and also spread out the legs. Approximately equidistant. दोनों partners equally 3 feet, 2.5 to 3 feet legs spread करेंगे. Okay? The other person will turn around and stand at the back. So both of you are facing your back to each other. Let's get ready for Trikonasana. Inhale and hands at the side. Hold hands, hold hands. It's about bonding with family today. Exhale and bend to one side. Any one side, both of you bend on one side only. Turn your neck and look up towards the other hand. That is up. दूसरे हाथ की तरफ जो ऊपर है उसकी तरफ देखिए and hold कीजिए उसको. Keep holding. 8 count के लिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Slowly सांस लेते हुए center, सांस छोड़ते हुए relax. एक और बार रिपीट करेंगे, दूसरे साइड बेंड करेंगे अभी. लंबी सांस, इनहेल, सांस छोड़ते हुए दूसरे साइड बेंड. गर्दन मोड़ के ऊपर वाले हाथ की तरफ देखेंगे. You will feel a nice stretch in the waist. Laterally, hold the stretch for 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly center, hands down, relax. One deep breath. Same position में रहिए. We'll repeat this one more time. One more deep breath. Again. सांस लेते हुए दोनों हाथ ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथ होल्ड कर लीजिए. धीरे धीरे फर्स्ट साइड बेंड हो जाइए. दोनों बेंड ऑन द फर्स्ट साइड. Both of you together. Look, turn your neck and look towards the other hand that is up. And hold. Feel the stretch here laterally in the waist. Keep holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Center, one deep breath. One more deep breath, relax. और दूसरे साइड रिपीट करेंगे. सांस छोड़ते हुए as you exhale, bend on the other side. Look up towards the hand that is up and hold for 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Center. Slowly hands down, legs together. 2 deep breaths. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And let's move ahead to Virabhadrasana with your twin. One person will stand in front. Your partner will stand at the back towards your left side. First person will stand in front. Second person will stand at the back towards your left side. And again, spread your legs slightly like 2.5, 3 feet apart. First person that is standing in the front will bend, turn their right leg towards the right. The other person will turn their left leg towards the left side. Front person will bend their right leg. Second person left leg. आगे वाला person right leg bend करेगा, पीछे वाला left leg. Clear? Adjust yourselves. Inhale and hands at right angles. And just watch now first and then you come into the asana, okay? Take front person, take your right hand, hold your partner's left hand from this space between the legs. I'll repeat one more time. Bend your right knee, front person, the other person will bend the left knee, hands at the side. As you exhale, front person will take their right hand and the other person will take their left hand and hold hands from this space between the legs. Other hand simply straight up, touch straight up. Don't bend. Try not to bend the elbow. Yes, hold. Hold for 8 count. feeling the stretch in the entire body now. Hands, lower back, lateral back, abdomen, legs. Hold the stretch for 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथ सेंटर में, पैर सीधे, and slowly hands down. 2 deep breaths. I think we'll repeat on the other side now. So the partner that is at the back will come to your right. The second person who's standing at the back, आपके साथी आपके right की तरफ आ जाएंगे. फिर से legs same. Spread apart. This time, front person will bend their left knee and the person at the back will bend their right knee. Adjust yourselves. Inhale and hands at right angles. 1 deep breath. आगे वाला person will take their left hand and bend from this space. Hold the hand, right hand of your partner. Other hand straight, touching the ear. Try to keep the elbows straight and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel the stretch in the entire body. Keep holding back, abdomen, legs. 7 and 8. Exhale and hands at right angles. Slowly hands down and bring your legs together. Relax. 3 deep breaths and relax. 3 deep breaths. And let's proceed with our next, again balancing asana, supporting your partner, helping you build your core strength and endurance. Natrajasana. Face your partner, stand facing each other. Place one hand on your partner's shoulder and the partner will also place that hand on your shoulder. Place hands on each other's shoulder. Take a deep breath. Take another deep breath. Cool yourself down. Focus now. Focus. Stabilize. Hold this outer leg. जो पैर बाहर है. एक हाथ से shoulder hold किया है. दूसरा जो पैर बाहर है. Hold the ankle joint and adjust yourself. Raise your leg up as high as you can. Help your partner also. And keep holding for 8 count. Stabilizing yourself. Focus, focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly leg down, relax, 2 deep breaths. We'll repeat on the other side now. Yeah, slightly you need to focus and stabilize yourself as well as bond and help your partner also. Place the other hand now, other hand on the shoulder. Your partner will also place a hand on your shoulder. Place the other leg, outer leg. Hold the ankle joint, hold it up. Hold for 8 count. Focus well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly leg down. 2 deep breaths. 2 deep breaths. And sit down. Sit facing each other. 2 deep breaths. Simple. Sit in simple Sukhasana. 2 deep breaths. Now, both of you will fold your left leg and straighten your right leg like this. Left leg fold, right leg straight. दोनों same करेंगे. दोनों left leg fold, दोनों left leg fold करेंगे, right leg straight रखेंगे. Okay? Right leg is straight. Sit like this, touching each other. Sit with your back straight. Take a deep breath. Get ready. Focus. Slowly, as you inhale, both of you take your hands up. And now carefully, as you exhale, bend on your partner's knee. Touch your partner's knee. Nice. And hold. Try to keep your knees straight, flat on the floor. It's okay. If you can't touch the knee, till wherever you can reach, you hold that. You can reach up to the calf muscle, hold the calf muscle. If it's possible to reach up to the knee, hold the knee. Hold for the count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. फिर से सांस लेते हुए inhale and up, exhale and hands down. 2 deep breaths. We'll repeat this one more time. Keep sitting the same way. Both of you are folding your left leg. Right leg is straight. Repeat one more time. Inhale and hands up. Exhale and bend on your partner's knee. Keep holding for 8 count. Let's start. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale and hands up. Exhale and down. Relax. One deep breath. And change the leg. Both of you fold your right leg, straighten your left leg. Fold the right leg, straighten your left leg. Relax first. Take 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Again in Janu Shirshasana, stretching your lower back, strengthening your spine, giving flexibility to your spine. Get ready to repeat it on the other side. Inhale and hands up. Remember, exhale and bend on your partner's knee. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Inhale and hands up. Exhale and down. Relax. 2 deep breaths. And let's repeat one more time. Inhale and hands up. Slowly exhale. Bend on your partner's knee. Hold it. Hold for the count of 8, feeling the stretch in the lower half of the back, strengthening your spine. Hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale and hands up. Exhale and hands down. Relax. 5 deep breaths. And relax. Let's move ahead. Open both your legs, straighten your legs, spread apart. दोनों पैरों को फैला के तलवे मिलाइए. साथी के साथ तलवे मिलाइए. Yes, as much as you can. So you have to see how much your partner can spread out the legs, and you also equivalently spread it out and touch the feet, soles of the feet together. Take a deep breath. Now we have to bend forward. So if you're having any severe lower back pain, because this will require a little more forward bending. So you bend according to your flexibility or skip it. Okay, bend according to your flexibility or skip it. If even one of the adults cannot bend completely, You skip it or you bend as per your own flexibility. If you're doing with your kids, then you can do. That's okay. They are very flexible. Hold your hands and exhale, and one partner will bend forward. First person, one person will bend forward. The other person will help you bend by pulling your hands. Hold. Try to keep your knees flat on the floor. Hold for the count of 5. Only 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and come to the center. 2 deep breaths. Exhale and help your partner bend as much as they can. जबरदस्ती खींचिए मत उनको. जितना वो easily bend हो सकते हैं उतना उनको bend करने में help करना है. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale and straight leave the hands. 2 deep breaths. एक और बार सेम रिपीट करेंगे. We'll repeat this Paschimottanasana one more time. Inhale, hold your partner's hands. First person. Exhale and bend forward, maximum forward bend. Hold. Only for 5 count, feeling the stretch. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale and come to the center. 2 deep breaths. Slowly exhale and let your partner bend. Help them bend. Don't forcefully pull them. Yes, you can have fun, but just don't over pull them. Help them stretch. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale and up. Leave the hands, relax. 5 deep breaths. And let's move ahead. Again for the back, but very relaxing twist now. Very relaxing twist for the back. First person, right hand. Second person, left hand. First person's right hand holding the, oh, right, sorry. Both of you are holding your right hand. Yes. So both of you are holding your right hand. Both The partners are holding their right hands together and left hand straight at the back. Now pull each other, pull towards you, pull, try to pull, try to pull as much as you can, try to pull, keep holding, try to pull, Both of you have to try to pull the other partner towards you. And relax. Stop pulling, one deep breath. Take both your left hands together. Both of you are holding your left hand together now. Leave the right hand. Take it at the back. Get ready. Hold the hands firmly and pull your partner towards you. Pull them, Try to pull them towards you. Try pulling them. Keep stretching. Feel the nice stretch laterally in the back and keep pulling each other. Keep feeling the stretch also. Also the stretch in the hand. Feel the stretch in the hand also. And slowly again come to the center. Again hold your right hands together. Leave the left hand. Take it at the back and hold your firm grip. And again pull. Pull your partner towards you. Pull, hold. Feel the stretch in the right arm and the lateral portion of the back. Relaxing stretch. Keep holding, keep pulling. Slowly hold the left hand, release the right hand at the back, firm grip of the left hand and ready, start pulling towards each other. Pull your partner, feel the stretch in the arm and the lateral portion of the back. Pull your partner. Slowly come to the center and hands down on the knees, back straight. 5 deep breaths. Relax, take 5 deep breaths. Relax. Bring your legs together. दोनों पैर एक साथ ले आइए. जोड़ लीजिए. फिर से ऐसे तलवे मिलाइए. Let the soles of the feet touch each other. 2 deep breaths. And get ready for Naukasana. Boat बनाएंगे अभी. Boat pose. Okay. So first see carefully. पैरों के तलवे मिलाए हैं. We are touching the soles of the feet together. First, both of you raise your left leg up. No, this is which leg of yours? Right. One leg up. Try to keep the knee straight. It's okay if you're bending it since we are doing it for the first time. Slight bend is acceptable. That's okay. Just enjoy the nice stretch and bond. Now slowly when you're raise one leg up, both of you, any one decide and mutually raise one. One deep breath and slowly raise the other leg up. Try to balance. Straighten your hands. making a boat. Turbulences in the boat are welcome so that you can stabilize your boat, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Exhale and legs one by one down, hands down. 3 deep breaths. And we'll repeat this Naukasana. Keep sitting the same way, hold with your feet together. Mutually decide. Raise one leg, one side up. One deep breath. Mutually raise the other leg up. Balance your boat well. Boat is rocking. Balance well. Hold, hands straight. 8 count. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly legs down and hands down. Hold your legs and relax. 5 deep breaths. 5 deep breaths, relax. Relax. Let's move ahead with our next asana for today, Bhujangasana. Again, with the help of your mate, your twin. So one person will lie down on the abdomen. पेट के बल लेट जाएंगे. Lie down on your stomach. I'll show you. First person will lie down on their stomach. Hands beside you. 2 deep breaths. The other partner will come and stand like this with their legs on either side of the body. Your partner will come and stand like this with the legs on either side of the body. Let them help you in Bhujangasana. Hold hands and they will stretch you up. Inhale and come up. Inhale and come up. Maximum stretch. Pull more as much as you can and raise your partner. Hold. Hold for 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly सांस छोड़ते हुए as you exhale, come down, leave your partner's hand. 3 deep breaths. And we'll change partners. We'll switch sides. First person will come up now. You have to help your mate, your twin. Second person will lie down similar way with hands besides your body. 3 deep breaths. 3 deep breaths. 3, 2, and 1. Second person will come and stand with their legs on either side and will help the partner hold their hands. जोर से नहीं खींचना है, आराम से पार्टनर को ऊपर आने में हेल्प करना है, आराम से, as much as they can. Keep holding their hands for them. Let them feel the stretch. Count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly down, relax. 3 deep breaths. And come up. Sit facing with your back together. Simple Sukhasana, simple Palthi. Sit in simple Palthi, simple Sukhasana with your backs together like this. 2 deep breaths. Relax. Now slowly, one person will turn to the right. Both of you turn to that side. Yeah. Both of you will turn to your right side like this. We were at the center. And from the waist, both will turn to the right. Place one hand on your knee and one hand on partner's knee. One hand on your knee, other hand on partner's knee, and feel the twist. Turn your neck also to the right side. Hold, keep holding the twist. Keep holding the twist. Slowly exhale and center. Inhale, and both of you turn to your left side. One hand on your knee, one hand on partner's knee, Turn to your left, neck also to your left side, and hold, keep holding. Feel this nice, relaxing stretch in the back. Keep holding. And center one last time. Last asana for today. Sukhasana with a twist. Again, turn to your right. Hold, keep one hand on your knee, right hand on the partner's knee. Turn your neck also to the right and hold. Center. One deep breath. And other side, left side. And slowly turn to the center. Sit like this besides each other in simple Sukhasana. One deep breath. And both of you take your outer hand, जो हाथ बाहर की तरफ है. We are sitting together, जो हाथ बाहर की तरफ है. Inhale and up. Let it come in Namaskar. In front again. Other hand, palm facing upward in your lap. Other hand in your lap. Back straight, eyes closed. 2 deep breaths. तीन बार सांस छोड़ते हुए ओम का उच्चारण. Let's chant Om as we exhale 3 times. Om. Om. Release the hands from Namaskar. Bring your palms together, rub them against each other, making them warm. Place them on your eyes. Slowly and gently Open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining. I'll adjourn our session for today.